Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the government and the key elements of democratic government. Today, let's begin with a new lesson: local government and administration. Here, we are going to discuss elements of rural administration. First, area of the police station. Every police station has an area that comes under its control. All persons in that area can report cases or inform the police about any theft, accident, injury, fight, etc. It is the responsibility of the police of that station to inquire, to investigate, and take action on the cases within its area. Next, the work at the police station. In charge is called as SHO, means Station House Officer. His duty is writing down minor complaints and then investigating them, prevent crime, and maintain law and order in their area, especially during festivals, public meetings, etc. Next, maintenance of land records. Measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of the Patwari. The Patwari is known by different names in different states. In some villages, such officers are called Lekpal, or you can say Karmachari or village officer, etc. We will refer to this officer as Patwari. Each Patwari is responsible for a group of villages. The Patwari maintains and updates the records of the village. The map and the corresponding details from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by the Patwari. The Patwari usually has ways of measuring agricultural fields. In some places, a long chain is used. In the above, for instance, the Patwari would have measured both A and B's field and compared them with the measurements on the map. If they did not match, then it would be clear that the boundary of the fields has been changed. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in this area. This is done from the records that are kept, and this is why it's important for the Patwari to regularly update these. Farmers may change the crops grown on their fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. And keeping track of all. This is the work of the Revenue Department of Government. Senior people in this department supervise the Patwari's work. All states in India are divided into districts for managing matters relating to land. These districts are further subdivided. These subdivisions of a district are known by different names, such as Tahsil, Taluka, etc. At the head is the district collector. Under them are the revenue officers, also known as Tahsildars. They have to hear disputes They also supervise the work of the patwaris and ensure that records are properly kept and land revenue is collected. They make sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of their caste certificates, etc. Next, a new law. Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Often, when we think of farmers who own land, we think of men. Women are seen as people who work on the fields, but not as people who own agricultural land. After the death of the father, his property was divided equally among his sons. Recently, the law was changed. In the new law, sons, daughters, and their mothers can get an equal share in the land. The same law will apply to all states and union territories of the country. This law will benefit a large number of women. For example, Z is the eldest daughter of an agricultural family. She is married and lives in a neighboring village. After her father's death, Z often comes to help her mother with the farming work. Her mother has asked the Patwari to transfer the land and enter her name along with the names of all the children in his record. Her mother confidently organizes the farming with the help of the younger brother and sister. Similarly, daughter also lives with the assurance that if she ever has a problem, she can always depend upon her share of the land. So, dear students, today we discussed the work of the police station, maintenance of land records, a new policy, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, under the topic Rural Administration. By this, I would like to conclude this session. Thank you.